It is Black Friday, and let me tell you, there's a great deal from AEJuice right now. It's the I Want It All bundle. We've been using it for the past couple of years in After Effects, and it's fantastic. This year, there are over 50 packs. I'm talking seamless transitions, awesome animated flash effects, realistic lighting, film textures, VHS effects, creative titles, neon glitches. I could go on. I'm not going to cover everything in this video, but I'll show you some of our favorite effects and how to use them in After Effects. So you might be wondering just how you get the Black Friday deal? Well, it's 98% off on the website, but with our link, you can get an additional 10% off with code ESSE10. All of the links are down below, and it really helps support the channel. In this video, I'm going to break down some of my favorite packs, showing you different effects and tricks to make them work even better. Time codes are down below, and without further ado, let's jump into After Effects. All right, so the first thing you need to do is install the AEJuice Pack Manager. I have a link down below to download the free starter pack if you want to test it out. After you install the panel, go up to Window, Extensions, AEJuice Pack Manager 4. Once you log in, you'll see all the packs you've purchased. To download one, click the little cloud icon. Pro tip: before you download, go into the account settings. You can choose the storage path. If your primary drive is whole, you can save all these assets to an external SSD, which I highly recommend. First up is my most used pack, Seamless Transitions. To apply a transition, just put your playhead between two clips in your timeline. Find a transition you like in the panel. I'm a big fan of the target zoom, and just double-click. It automatically creates the adjustment layers and even adds sound effects for you. It's that easy. Next, let's check out the Animated FX pack. This is perfect for adding energy to your motion graphics. No more keyframing sparks by hand. You find an effect you like, double-click to import it, and place it where you want the action to occur. Set the blend mode to screen or add, and you have an instant professional-looking animation that saves you a ton of time. This is one of the coolest parts of the bundle. Real VFX elements like these lightning effects. These aren't cartoons, they are high-quality, pre-keyed footage of actual lightning. Just drag one onto your timeline, change the blend mode to screen, and you've got a realistic lightning strike. This is so much faster than creating it from scratch or finding good stock footage. In just a few clicks, you've gone from clean digital footage to a stylized retro look. All right, so those are just a few of my favorite packs. Of course, there's so much more, like creative titles and Cyberpunk elements. Definitely take advantage of this Black Friday sale. It's only on for a few more days, so please do it. What are you waiting for? That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.